crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and we are on day 16. Man, the month is just flying. So, day 16 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So far, her and the team have given us some pretty amazing gifts, along with such a variety, right? Starting with just the whimsy panel on day one, and then, of course, my coffee mug, right, on day five, and the charcuterie board, and some of the projects. And I still love those silly mug rugs with the dog and the cat. So, pretty amazing gifts so far. A lot of creativity, it seems like, this year, in more than just patterns and fabric or something. I don't know. So I've been really happy. So we are on day 16. So let's open and see what the team has put together for us. I love when these come out. I just love these snowflakes. And sometimes they just come off perfect. Most of mine ended up ripping in half. And I don't know what I'd use them for, but I still like them. All right. So let's see what she gifted us today. All right, so this is a magnetic wristband, right? So I did get one of these in a box last year or the year before. And I'll be honest, I have not used it. I don't know that I ever will. Um, but it's not a bad gift. It's just not necessarily something I would want to use. I'm trying to open it so I can show you. Yeah. But of course, it is Missouri Star logoed. It says, "So along with me, the best is yet to be." So look how adorable that is. I don't know if it's going to show up in the lights or not, but I do like the way this goes on as far as it's one of the snap bands. So that's kind of cool. So just a quick way to pin, but I don't pin, right? So I don't have a lot of need necessarily for that, but it's not to say that it's a bad gift. And then a cat-shaped magnet to hold your pins and needles. And I know my buddy Carl in Florida is definitely wanting one of these. So, and it comes with a, this one's on a suction cup, it looks like. So not magnetic, but suction cupped. So kind of cool. I kind of like the cat. I prefer a dog, but it works out. So again, a cute gift, cute ideas. This one is probably the first one for me to go, okay. But again, right, they're trying to put 25 days together, and they're trying to meet crafters, creators, quilters at all different levels across, a wide spectrum. So not bad gifts, just not the wow that I've had on some of the other days in that. But again, satisfied. So, guys, thanks for dropping in. Thanks for listening to me unbox and talk about what's going on. I'll be interested to see what folks in the Facebook group for Jenny's Countdown has to say about these items. Overall, I think all of us have been really happy with this year's box. And again, this is not a disappointment. It's just not some of the wow that some of the other boxes or other days have been. With all that said, thanks for being here. Thanks for giving me a few minutes of your time. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.